Ready, start. We have not heard from you regarding your order for calendars about a month ago. We sent you a folder which illustrated the attractive designs we have prepared for the Christmas trade. It would be well to place your order as early as possible to make sure that the calendars will be delivered in time. Full stop. Perhaps this year you would like to substitute a small bill holder. We can supply them in imitation leather in gross lots at very moderate prices. Full stop. Thank you for your letter of yesterday. We are glad to receive your reminder that our order for calendars should be in hand. Full stop. Will you please send us further particulars of the bill holders? We may make a change this year and distribute them instead of the calendars. If you will attend to this matter immediately, we will send our order by return mail. We are afraid that we are later this year in placing our order, but we are sure that we may rely upon receiving the calendars or bill holders by the later part of this month. Full stop. Over.